The Roborock Q Revo vacuum mop features a multifunctional dock that eliminates the need for manual cleaning, offering auto mop washing and hot air drying to prevent unpleasant odors. The dock also includes a 5-liter water tank that automatically fills the robot's tank, allowing for a maximum mopping range of 4,305 square feet and offering hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks. Equipped with dual spinning mops that rotate at 200 RPM, the Roborock Q Revo can effectively remove a wide range of stains, providing a spotless clean every time. The vacuum mop also includes an auto mop lifting feature that lifts the mops by 7 millimeters when vacuuming carpets, ensuring that both floors and carpets are cleaned without leaving any dirty streaks. With a powerful suction of 5,500 PA, the Roborock Q Revo can reach deep into surfaces to capture dust and dirt, and its all-rubber brush can effectively clear away pet hair with fewer tangles. The Roborock Q Revo also features reactive tech obstacle avoidance, using PreciSense LiDAR navigation with 3D mapping technology to detect and avoid potential hazards, thus making cleanups a breeze.